The drawing going, you know? Yeah, that's what it is, man. Word up, ASAP Rocky. What up, my nigga?
Count down the arm.
Venrap.
Count down the arm. Get.
Venrap. Radio.
Welcome back to the Venrap Radio. Bringing you the entertainment side of things on the Higher Table podcast. And if you have something we need to take a look at on 0826937124. The WhatsApp here. Yeah, man, it's been a great year or great couple of years for our sister Dukamba Makhadzi. Honestly speaking, we celebrate at Tibirdwa Niko Temba mean. Because yeah, man. Right now we need to celebrate. We need to celebrate another milestone. Come a milestone. She have signed a record. Not a record deal, man. They want a record deal. No, man. She have signed a deal. And the deal in Yakosia, a partnership. Una hawa na Kicks Sportswear. Kicks Sportswear. The bottom manufacturers. So now we're in this one. Number on the mateki at the sports. The deal here in your it's 120 million mega deal. So this is one of the greatest deal. They've been asking questions trying to understand but we're gonna get into details on that one. So right now we're just talking about we're celebrating another milestone. Bombona, she have made peace namnada. She have signed the deal. Like a lot of things are just happening, which is a great thing. And yeah, man, we know Nangange will Ramsi Vokosako Posta Suza. I don't know if their coach is trying to compete or to get attention away from Makhadzi. But yo, man, I'm sorry, my nigga, if that's how it is. But then this one when I was comment is don't get attention. Because I'm competing na Gumba Komba Makhadzi. Was the Ozoro Kitaka Shaka Habo. To confirm I'm going to 100%, but what the Zubona Musach Kwambore, I of Perangori Ramsey. We ni mtu ano gada ndi mtu no to right hezi na hezi na no kodore achuze kati ya muzika wawe no bamfumakazi ari ene kadiwo fukansanga manda kama pungu awazo muzika kana kazo entertain na mini zote rusikoni rambona achukwe panda. So let's celebrate the 120 million mega deal in our oisaina oisaina na hawa Kick Sportswear zinuza kwamba ridobona mateki abori it's worth 120 million being developed and created. Achikwambari what comes the products are within Amanda zinuza worth 120 million. So yeah, man, we're gonna get into details on that one in the next video. But right now, guys, you tell me, what do you think about this deal? Why not celebrating? Because this is big. The only thing I'm just gonna say, I hope it's not happening. This no wana zori kampani ikofedza ikujia share kurwane kana kampani ko general na ngamanda ngori unaongo mabayimbini wana bako this record these deals this in like whether it's endorsement deal, whether in the partnership, whatever deal they get now no record label ikujia a big portion mostly zwiti ngamrams but was sign those contracts in the 360 contract unene wana rish ora la mtu wana deal ina imwezi banga nori wako jia chirede njinga manda Eskom yumudita mapungwayo mara styles kadiwaro you already prepared for that. Yeah, yumtaga sumu dinyamarara mara smapungwa styles ezo di kom idorari. Yeah, man. So osikane palone wa onori company weko jia portion kurwane wana mtu arade kondi and randa mtachiwa wana 5 randa kana 2 randa wono jia 95% yote ya whatever zine boru kuzigenerate kana kuzuita ngazi deal zawo ngazo zingona zingu zinangoita zone. So I'm hoping hapa noni angadona mapungwa neyo. But yeah, man, I'm celebrating. Big up to Nabori. Yeah, man, they're pushing here wakumpusha. I can see I've been singing this that I know some of the plans that were supposed to be done, but if I'm seeing now executiwa, I'm like celebration ria wanana go vitiri. Hey, the coffee. Celebratory. Yeah, Makhadzi, you've done great. You've achieved this another milestone, and big up to you. Renifuna zone. Wakumbonane pakorira kudiani pala kuita zote tire. Osaina. This is using. Big up to Makhadzi. Big up to Kicks Sportswear for such a great and amazing deal. ndawu ya nduna amara here ndibafuna zone.
Every day's a celebration. They can never stop us. Bangasi vale mageta rufara skelam key. Good luck. Game like a Tory, you so special. I'm here to work hard. Teenage being a chamitambo. Itiba Tshivenda dera chingo data zwa mishasho.